Corns and Calluses. Introduction. Are calluses usually painful? Select yes or no. Correct. A callus is usually not painful. They may cause discomfort if they form at the heel of the foot. Corns may be painful to the touch. Corns are smaller than calluses. Select true or false. Correct. Corns are smaller than calluses. They have a hard gray center. This center is surrounded by yellow inflamed skin. Corns and calluses are caused by friction or pressure on your skin. Select true or false. Correct. Corns and calluses are caused by friction or pressure on your skin. They often form on the soles of your feet, hands, or knees. Corns and calluses always require treatment. Select true or false. Correct. If your corns or calluses are not painful, they may not require treatment, but it may lead to more serious problems if you have diabetes or poor circulation. Wearing gloves can help prevent calluses on the hands. Select true or false. Correct. Consider wearing gloves while doing physical work like gardening. Thank you for using Explain.